Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a FFmpeg video editor that I developed inside this Svelte. So this is basically a web application where you can modify and edit your videos and apply some basic advanced filters using FFmpeg with live preview in the video player. So you will see the video player will play right here as you apply the filters, and it will show the live preview as well with Progressbar. So it is a complete web application. If I reload that, you will basically see I am running this on localhost 5173. So I basically is running this on my command line Svelte application, and here we have a simple input file where we are converting this simply to MP4. We can even convert this into GIF as well. And as I click the render preview option, so this progress bar will show to you rendering. The video is rendering. So this progress bar will show how much time is rendering. So when it reaches 100%, your video will play. So we are basically converting the MP4 video file to a GIF file. You can convert the video files from one format to another. And now I will also show you how you can apply filters as well inside this application. So here you can, this is basically the interface. We have the layout. So this is a diagram. You can see that basically we are connecting these two nodes together. So this file is connected to this file. So now you can see your GIF file is ready. You can save this image as a GIF file here. So now your GIF file has been downloaded. So actually this video file has been converted to a GIF file using FFmpeg, and in this way you can do this. So it's a very awesome application. You can deploy this on your own website as well. So now let me show you some of the more advanced stuffs using this application. So now you can even upload files from your local system. There's an upload file button out there. So simply if I cross this, and let me upload a custom file here. This MP4 file that I upload right here, if you see. Now this file I need to convert this. Here I will first of all connect these two nodes together. So simply I will draw this. You need to draw this and like this. These are two now connected here. You will see that. So now in between these, you can apply some filters out there. So in the left hand side, guys, you can see basically there are filters, FFmpeg filters that you can apply in order to have your video editor. And here some examples are given: crossfade. You can crop your video, trim your video. You can scale it, overlay, text, speed up, slow down, video grid, mirror. Let me just search for a filter here called as trim. So trim is a very useful filter in FFmpeg, which is used to basically cut the video at, you can provide the starting duration and the ending duration. So I will cross this, and here I will draw this like this very simply. It will be connected. So first of all, we are applying this trim filter, and then whatever is the result, we are converting this to a new MP4 file. So this is actually the diagram that we put here. It basically makes a process way more simpler, user friendly, and automatically as you apply this filter, guys, the FFmpeg command will be generated. So if you want to basically perform this command in the console, you can simply copy this command. This command will automatically get generated as you put this diagram. Simply copy to clipboard, and you can even perform this in the command line if you have FFmpeg installed. So then we will simply double click this filter, and the properties will come inside this panel, guys, if you see. And here you can provide the starting duration to cut this. So this video is exactly 1 minute 5 second long. If you want to cut this video, let's suppose from the 10th second, and now I want to cut this around 15 second. So I need to trim only the 5 second portion starting from the 10th second ending to 15 second. So as I now click render preview, so my process will get started. So once it reaches 100%, so it is basically rendering it. So just wait for the process to take place. So just wait. So once it reaches 100%, your video will be trimmed. You can see it is rendering it. You will see that 20%. So once it reaches 100%, your video will be trimmed. So now you can see that, guys, I actually trimmed This is the starting duration that we put here. Oh, sorry, here I forgot. This needs to be, I need to put 15 here, not here. Just put the 15 here, sorry. So start duration is 10, and then, so again it is rendering it. So just wait for the process to finish. So here, this filter takes the starting duration. This is in, this value is in seconds. So 10, and then it finishes at 15. So the total duration of the video will be 5 seconds. So it is, once it reaches 100%, you can see that. So now your video will play right here. You can even play it inside the video player as well, or you can download this video as well. You will see that. So you can apply as many filters as you want in this video, and you can even apply multiple filters as well. Let's suppose you want to speed up the video. You can also apply this filter as well. Simply select the video, and if you want to slow this video down, this is the actual filter, which is set PTS in FFmpeg, as you all know. And then inside the properties of this filter, just increase the value here. Let's suppose I increase it or decrease it to 0.2. Then it will speed up pretty much. So the video length will be shorter, and the video will play at more speed. So once it reaches 100%, the result will be shown to you in the video player, and now you can actually play the video. So this is a nice little video editor application that I developed inside Svelte. So if I play the video, guys, you will see that now the video is playing at a very super fast speed right here. So we have actually converted into a very high speed. You will see that. So you can perform these operations very easily, guys, without having to write complex commands of FFmpeg. This is a complete GUI kind of an application where you can generate your complex commands of FFmpeg in the right here in the browser. So if you need the full source code, guys, of this application, the links are given in the description of the video. You can go to PayPal and make the payment in United States dollar, or you can go to Stripe and make the payment in Indian rupees. So both the payment links are given in the description of the video. And after you purchase it, basically you will get this directory structure, and inside this all the source code is there here. All the source code files are there, app.svelte. This core application is written inside Svelte. It's a web application framework, very famous, similar to Next.js. It is used to code enhanced web applications. So I use this framework to write this application in. So after you do this, you will get this source code. And simply to start this server, you just need to, first of all, npm install all the modules which are necessary. And then after that, you just need to invoke a command simply to run this locally, npm run dev. So this will start the dev server on localhost HTTP 5173. If you need to deploy this for production, you just need to build out this application. So all these commands are present inside your package.json file. So as you can see, we are using the FFmpeg WebAssembly library. And also to play the video in the video player, we are actually using the FFplay library. It's a part of FFmpeg, which allows you to render out the live preview of the result that you get from FFmpeg library. So it is separate from FFmpeg, FFplay. It is used to play out the result in the video player. So we are using these technologies to make this application, and to build this application, you just need to invoke the command npm run build. So this will build out your application. So just write npm run build. So this will give you the, you can see that a dist folder will be created. Now you can simply deploy this application right here to your website. So this is the index.html file here. So right here you can deploy this application. So this is all that, guys, there. And there are unlimited filters out there. If you have deep knowledge of FFmpeg, this tool will be great for you. This application is great for you. There are video filters, audio filters you can apply. Let's suppose we search for a filter here. Let's suppose we want to crop the video. We search for the crop filter, and here the properties of the crop filter, and this is the width of the crop section you need to crop. Let's suppose I put 500. Here also I put 500, 500, and also here put 500, and click on render preview. So there your video will be cropped, guys, because you have put the dimensions here of 500 width, 500 height. So once it finishes, you will basically see the live preview of whatever you have done in this section. So you can just deploy this as your own applications once you purchase the source code, guys. So this is a really useful application. Your users will enjoy this application because many a times you need to edit videos. You can see your video is cropped at a particular area here. The video is not showing fully because we have cropped the video. So you can just play with this tool, guys. Just put different values and see different results. Totally depends upon you, your requirement, how you want to do about it. And you can even zoom in, zoom out because the area is limited. So that's why we have put these controls out there. Zoom in, you can also put full screen here also. You can even lock the layout if you don't want to move these. If you untick this, you can move this elements right here like this. So unlimited filters are there, guys. So hopefully you will like this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. So if you need to purchase this, both the links are given. So thank you very much.